Introduction. Raw honey has been utilized as a folk remedy throughout history and has a range of health advantages and medical usages. It's even utilized in some health centers as a treatment for injuries. Much of these health advantages are specific to raw, or unpasteurized, honey. The majority of the honey you find in grocery stores is pasteurized. The high heat eliminates undesirable yeast, can improve the color and texture, gets rid of any condensation, and extends the product life. Many of the beneficial nutrients are also destroyed in the process. If you have an interest in attempting raw honey, buy it from a reliable local manufacturer. This video will go over some health benefits raw honey provides. 1. A good source of antioxidants. Raw honey contains a variety of plant chemicals that function as antioxidants. Some kinds of honey have as many antioxidants as fruits and vegetables. Antioxidants help to protect your body from cell damage due to free radicals. Free radicals contribute to the aging process and may also contribute to the development of persistent illness such as cancer and heart disease. Research study reveals that antioxidant substances in honey called polyphenols might contribute in preventing heart disease. 2. Antibacterial and antifungal properties. Research study has shown that raw honey can kill unwanted germs and fungi. It naturally contains hydrogen peroxide, an antibacterial. Its efficiency as an antibacterial or antifungal differs depending on the honey, however it's plainly more than a folk treatment for these types of infections. 3. Help heal wounds. Manuka honey is utilized in medical settings to deal with injuries since it's been discovered to be an efficient germ killer and also help in tissue regeneration. Research studies reveal that Manuka honey can increase recovery time and reduce infection. Be aware that the honey used in hospital settings is medical grade, indicating it's checked and sterilized. It's not a good concept to treat cuts with honey you buy from a store. 4. Phytonutrient powerhouse. Phytonutrients are substances discovered in plants that assist safeguard the plant from damage. For instance, some keep pests away or shield the plant from ultraviolet radiation. The phytonutrients in honey are accountable for its antioxidant properties, as well as its antibacterial and antifungal power. They're also believed to be the reason raw honey has shown immune-boosting and anti-cancer benefits. Heavy processing destroys these valuable nutrients. 5. Help for gastrointestinal problems. Honey is in some cases used to treat digestive problems such as diarrhea, though there isn't much research study to reveal that it works. It's proven to be effective as a treatment for Helicobacter pylori, H. pylori, bacteria, though, a common cause of stomach ulcers. It's a powerful prebiotic, suggesting it nourishes the good germs that live in the intestines, which are crucial not just for food digestion however general health. 6. Relieve a sore throat. Have a cold? Use a spoonful of honey. Honey is an old aching throat remedy. Include it to hot tea with lemon when a cold infection strikes you. It works as a cough suppressant. Research has recommended that honey is as effective as dextromethorphan, a typical component in over-the-counter cough medication. Just take 1 or 2 teaspoonfuls, directly. Are there any threats? In addition to beneficial prebiotics and nutrients, raw honey can bring damaging germs such as Clostridium botulinum. This is especially unsafe for children. Raw honey ought to never ever be offered to a baby less than a year old. Signs of botulism poisoning in infants may include irregularity, sluggish breathing, drooping eyelids, lack of gagging, loss of head control, paralysis that spreads out downward, poor feeding, sleepiness and weak cry in adults. Symptoms can include an initial short period of diarrhea and vomiting, followed by constipation and more severe symptoms, such as blurred vision and muscle weakness. See a doctor if you experience any of these symptoms after consuming raw honey. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.